Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use generative AI wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Simply hold your finger on an empty space of your home screen or your lock screen and select Wallpaper and Style, select Change Wallpapers, and go to Create a with AI section. Now, if you want to apply the weather wallpaper for your lock screen so that your picture changes according to the weather outside, you are gonna have to go with this option. However, we have a separate video for this feature. But if you want to create your own AI image, then go to Generative, and here select the main topic for your image, for example, night, and then you will get a prompt for your generation, basically, and you'll be able to change the values of these selected words or set of words. So here we can change the color, for example, cyan, and abstract cyan, foggy swamp with clouds. And let's generate this wallpaper and tap let's go, and let's wait for Samsung's AI to generate this some photos for us. And here we get the set of different wallpapers. Select the ones that you like the most, or if you don't like any of these, you can still adjust the settings. Let's change the swamp to red one. And now let's choose one of these red swamps. Now this one doesn't look like a swamp at all, but let's change it to river, for example. Okay, and then select one of these photos, tap next, and apply this wallpaper to your home screen or lock screen or both. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.